This is a quick tutorial on how to configure audit reporting in your Cognos Analytics environment. Audit reporting can be used to view information about user and report activity and is a very useful method for monitoring and auditing your Cognos system. The first step is to create and configure a logging database. Then you will need to set the correct server logging level, create a data source connection, and finally import the sample reports. To start, create an empty database called Audit using the same procedure as the content store database. In this example, we'll be using a SQL Server database on a single server Cognos environment on Windows. Now you will need to direct log messages to the database. To do this, open Cognos Configuration, right-click Logging and choose New Resource Destination. Name is Audit and type is Database. Click OK. Right-click Audit and choose New Resource Database. Name is Audit and type is SQL Server. Enter the database sign-on details. Enter the database name. Then test to validate the connection. Save your configuration. Now you will need to set the Cognos server logging levels to basic. In IBM Cognos Administration, choose the Status tab and click System. From the scorecard pane, choose your dispatcher and set Properties. Click the Settings tab and choose Logging in the filter. Set all services to basic and check to include the native queries and click OK. You will now need to restart your Cognos Analytics service for the new settings to take effect. Next, you need to create a data source connection to the audit database. For the sample reports to work, the data source must be called Audit. In IBM Cognos Administration, go to Configuration, Data Sources and click New Data Source. Create a data source called Audit. The type is SQL Server Database and the database name and the database credentials need to be added for both compatible and dynamic data sources. Finally, you need to import the deployment containing the sample audit reports. The file IBM Cognos audit.zip is included with your standard Cognos Analytics installation and is stored in the install location Web Content Samples content directory. Move it to the deployment directory and perform a deployment import. To do this, go to IBM Cognos Administration, Configuration, Content Administration. Click on the New Import button. Name your deployment and select the sample audit folder. Follow the wizard for a standard deployment import. You are now ready to test your sample audit reports. Thank you for watching this video on how to configure audit reporting. Please comment on this video and visit our YouTube channel to learn more about using IBM Cognos Analytics 11.